Hooks are what connect the angler to the fish. Smaller hooks, like 8s, 6s, and 10s, are great for trout and panfish. And larger hooks, all the way up to size 2, are perfect for bass and catfish. Weights are important because they can help you cast and help keep your bait at a certain depth location. Smaller weights, like split shot, clamp directly to your line, and these are perfect for weighting your baits while stream fishing. Larger baits, like bell sinkers, are ideal for keeping baits on the bottom. Barrel swivels are great for keeping your line from twisting. Snap swivels make changing baits quick and easy. All I have to do is twist it off the swivel, and to put a new bait on, such as this topwater bait, I just thread it right onto the swivel and then snap it shut. Bobbers help suspend your bait and keep it at the right depth to get bites. Bobbers are simple to use and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They're spring loaded. All you do is push down on the top and attach the line to the bottom of the bobber. You wrap your line around the top and your bobber's there and ready to go. Forceps, needle nose pliers, or a multi-tool for attaching weights to line, for unhooking fish, or anything that might happen along the water where you need a quick tool. A ruler or a tape measure is another handy item. There are size restrictions on most species of fish. Sizes range from 7 inches to 12 inches to up to 40 inches. We want to make sure before we keep one that it's legal. Weighted baits like marabou jigs are great for fishing deeper in the water column. These are ideal for mimicking baitfish and crayfish, and if the fish are feeding on the surface, topwater lures such as this are perfect. Now that we know the basic items that should go in a beginner's tackle box, it's time to get out there and hit the water.